Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and opening Automator so you can create a real automation right away. You'll pick the right workflow type for your need. For repeatable tasks, choose Application or Quick Action. Once done, scan the left action library and enable relevant categories like Files and Folders or Photos. Make sure to keep Automator visible while you test. Naming the workflow early helps. Don't delay. Drag an initial action into the canvas to begin constructing the chain of steps. You now assemble the workflow by dragging actions in logical sequence so data flows correctly. Start with input actions like get specified finder items or ask for finder items, then add processing actions. Configure each option carefully, choose folders, set file type filters, or modify output destinations. Once done, connect outputs to inputs and use the Run button to test single steps before full runs. Make sure to add pauses or confirmation dialogues if you need safety. You finish by testing end-to-end and saving the workflow in the right format, then integrating it where you'll use it. Run the workflow several times with different sample files and watch the output. Save as application to double-click or quick action to access from Finder services. Once done, install or export and confirm it appears in the expected menu or dock. If things go wrong, check permissions, correct absolute file paths, and replace incompatible actions. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.